Hi friends, welcome to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss bond valuation part 1. Today you are going to learn what is bond, basic features of bond, reasons for issuing bond, important terms in bond valuation. Uh, Before discussing this, I want to say something. There will be a bond market in upstocks or grow or anywhere. Just type the bond. We'll get the bond. The volatility in a bond will be much less when we compare to equity shares. And bond market is completely unknown to many people in India. So first of all, what is bond? Bond means a long-term debt instrument which a company or a financial institution or a government has a commitment to pay. This is called as bond. For example, Indian government issues SGB, sovereign gold bonds. When it comes to AP has given for capital farming in nearly 2015 or 16, or any financial institution like ICICI, HDFC, many financial institutions give bonds. Bonds may be secured and unsecured. Secured means uh, when uh, when it is secured as a charge in MCA website for both tangible and intangible or current assets, and unsecured means when assets of the company or financial institution is not. Government bond are always treated as secured. Basic features of bond. Here, coupon rate will be coupon rate is nothing but rate of interest. For equity shareholders, dividend is paid, whereas for bond holders, rate of interest, that is coupon rate, is paid. When bonds are converted into equity shares, it is called as convertible bonds. When there is a huge deep discount with no coupon, is called zero coupon bond. This is nothing but I ask my friends to give 60 rupees. After 15 years I will give 200 rupees without giving interest annually or semi annually or quarterly. That is called as zero coupon bond. Reasons for issuing bond. First, government choose to issue bonds to either inflate or deflate the economy. Second, it is cheapest source of financing. Third, we already know that interest is financial leverage. Fourth, interest rate is deductible as a tax, and bondholders do not have any voting rights. Some important terms are: coupon rate means is nothing but interest rate. Original maturity means from date of issue to date of maturity, how much time is there. Remaining maturity means from present to maturity, how many days are there, known as remaining maturity. If you like the video, just subscribe it, like it. Thank you.